domain for every element of X having unique image in Y. Okay, that is a function. Have you thorough it? Now, fifth, already we saw 4 questions in exercise 1.3. Now, fifth one, let f of x equal to 2x plus 5 if x not equal to 0, then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. Okay. So, in this, what is given? F of x value is 2x plus 5. You can find the value of f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. Okay, Amma? So, for that, first you can find the numerator. F of x plus 2 you can find separately, and then f of 2. After that you can solve this equation. Okay, so first f of x plus 2. What is f of x plus 2? You know f of x is 2x plus 5. So instead of x you can put in this f of x plus 2 is there, isn't it? So instead of x plus 2 you can write. So 2x plus 5, instead of x you can write x plus 2. So 2 into x plus 2 plus 5. So you can solve it, we get 2x plus 9. Then f of 2, you can find f of 2. So f of 2 equal to, so in that given equation 2x plus 5, instead of x you can put 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 plus 5 equal to, you can solve that, we get 9. Now the numerator is f of x plus 2 minus f of 2. So you can subtract both the terms. So we get 2x. Okay. Now the denominator x is there, isn't it? So f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. That is equal to 2x by x. So the answer is 2. Okay. We understand it, ma? The same method, the sixth sum also solved. So in sixth sum, what is given? F of x equal to 2x minus 3. And first subdivision is f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. You can find this value. Okay. So for that, first you find f of 0 and then f of 1 and divided by 2. Okay. F of 0, how will you find f of 0? In the given equation, instead of x, 0 is there, isn't it? So you can write f of 0 equal to 2 into 0 minus 3. So you can find the value of f of 0 and f of 1. Okay, do it yourself. Divided by 2. We found the answer. Next, find x such that f of x equal to 0. What is given? F of x equal to 0, then you can find the value of x. So f of x equal to 0 means, what is f of x? 2x minus 3. So that is equal to 0. Therefore, what is the value of x? So x equal to 2x equal to that minus 3 go that side in plus 3, and then multiplying 2 is in multiplication, so that also go after this equation, we get division. So what is the value for x? That is 3 by 2. Okay, so same method, same way you can write third subdivision also. Now fourth subdivision, that is find the value of x alone, but f of x equal to f of 1 minus x is given. So you can find, yeah, you know f of x equal to 2x minus 3. F of 1 minus x means instead of x you can put 1 minus x. Therefore 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into x 2x. So you can solve, we get 1 by 2. Yeah, what is the value for x? 1 by 2. Okay, Amma. Next seventh one, an open box is to be made from a square piece of material. Okay, Amma. First figure, one square piece is there. No, you can using that square piece. We make a box. That square piece side is 24 centimeter, because square means all the sides are equal. No, so 24 centimeter on a side. by cutting equal squares from the corners. Okay, you can cut the equal squares on the corner. Cornerly, 4 squares are there, no? You can cut that squares. We will make the second figure. Okay, we will make second figure, that is a box. What is the shape of the box? That is what shape? Cuboid shape. Okay, so we found that. After that, you can find the volume of the box. Okay, what is a square shape side is 24 centimeter. So you can cut x centimeter, x centimeter square shape on the both the corners, isn't it? In square, corners is there. So first side, you can cut the corners x. So what will be the side of the cuboid? 24 minus 2x. Have you understand, ma? So what is the length? 24 minus 2x. And breadth also same, 24 minus 2x. And what is the height? That is x centimeter square only you cut, no? So the height is x. Okay, have you understand? Okay, Amma. So we get length, breadth, and height of the box. And the box is the shape of cuboid. So you can find the volume. What is the volume of the cuboid? You know already, isn't it? Length, breadth, so LBH. So length, breadth, and height. So you can substitute values of length, breadth, height. So volume of box equals to length, breadth, height. So what is length? 24 minus 2x. Breadth also 24 minus 2x. And the height is x. 24 minus 2x, 24 minus 2x, 2 times are there. So you can multiplying these two, we get the square, isn't it? So 24 minus 2x, the whole square into x. So what is the value for 24 minus 2x the whole square? We know, already know, a minus b the whole square, isn't it? Using that formula, we get the answer. So what is a minus b the whole square? A square minus b square minus plus, sorry, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, ma'am. What is a? In the sum, a is 24 and b is 2x. So what if 24 square? 576. 2ab. So 2 into 24 into 2x. That is 96x plus b square 2x the whole square. That is 4x square into x already given. So you can multiply all these. We get the answer. Have you understand, ma? Next, weight one. A function f is defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 2x. Find x such that f of x square equal to f of x the whole square. F of x equal to 3 minus 2x, isn't it? So find the value of x. The given, what is another one given? F of x square equal to f of x the whole square. So first you can find what is f of x square. Instead of x, you can put x square. What is the given function? 3 minus 2x. So 3 minus 2x, in that, yeah, instead of x, you can put x square. So we get f of x square. So f of x square equal to 3 minus 2x square. And f of x the whole square. So 3 minus 2x the whole square. 3 minus 2x the whole square, again using a minus b the whole square formula, we get 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. Now equating all the sides. Okay, ma? Change the sides. X terms, const terms, every terms, you change that into one side. So what is that? What you have to have? 4x square minus 12x plus 9, and this right hand side, sorry, left hand side is going to right hand side. The sign will be changed. So 3 minus 3 and minus 2x square will be plus 2x square equal to 0. Now you can solve it. We get 6x square minus 12x plus 6 equal to 0. In this equation, all the terms, 6 is common for all the terms. So you can divide it by 6 also. Okay, ma, 6. What is the answer? So x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have one quadratic equation because the degree of the x is 2. So you can solve this quadratic equation in which method? You already learned in ninth, no? So factorization method. What is that method? You can multiplying the quadratic equation means we have two factors. So you can multiply these two factors, we get 1, the constant term, and adding the factors, we get the middle term, that is coefficient of x minus 2. Okay. Likewise, you can find the factors. So you can multiplying the factors, we get 1, and adding the factors, we get minus 2. What are the factors? The possible factors are minus 1 and minus 1. So you can multiply minus 1 and minus 1, we get 1. You can add, we get minus 2. Okay. So what both the factors are equal. So we have x minus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 times repeated. So x minus 1 the whole square equal to 0. Then x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, what is the value for x? X equal to 1. Have you understand this? Okay, using factorization method, you can solve it and find the answer x. Ninth one, a plane is flying at a speed of 500 kilometer per hour. Express the distance d traveled by the plane as function of time t in hours. You can express distance traveled by the plane as a function of time t. You can express the distance in t. Okay, how will you express it? You know what is given? Speed equal to 500 kilometer per hour and distance is d and time is t. Okay, you can find what is the speed, what is the formula for speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. So speed equal to distance by time, you can substitute the values already given, no? So speed equal to 500, distance equal to d, and divided by time equal to t. So then you can express in d, no, distance. So you can express in d. So d equal to this denominator t, go that in numerator in multiplication, isn't it? So 500 t. D equal to 500 t. Now the distance equal to in time, isn't it? We expressed that distance in time. So d equal to 500 t. D means f of t. Okay, because we can write in function f of t, no, in in t. Have you understand this? Very simple only. Next, 10th one. The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of a woman's forehand. Okay, one nearby one table is there. In that table, length x of forehand. Okay, ma. You can take a length x of forehand. Forehand's length is x, and the height of the woman is y. Okay, you can that given in the table. Some five elements are given for that. Length is 40.5 centimeter means the woman's height is 65.5. Now, 5 values are there. And what is given? Y equal, one equation is given. Y equal to ax plus b. Y is height of a woman, x is length of a forehand, and a and b are constants. Okay, ma? Check if this relation is a function. First, you can check that y equal to ax plus b is a function. Find a and b, second subdivision. Okay. How will you check that relation is a function? First, you can draw the arrow diagram. Arrow diagram using the table, you can draw the arrow diagram. In capital X for forehand length, and capital Y for height of a woman. Okay, you can using that arrow diagram, we have clearly that is a function because every element of x is a having unique image in y, so that is a function. Okay, ma'am. What is second subdivision? You can find a and b using this equation given.